Hi, we're FRC Team 1671, the Buchanan Bird Brains.
This is our teens vlog. We'll show you what we've been doing for the past 2 weeks.
So how about you follow us in?
Okay, so this is our fuzzy workroom, and we're gonna go to PR.
Hey PR, what are you guys working on right now?
Well, right now we're working on Chairman's and the Woody Flowers Award, and we're also working on our pit display, which is going to be a poster this year.
Cool. All right, thanks guys.
Hi, Wednesday. I got some say.
Hello.
So what are you guys up to?
Working on this year's t-shirt.
And I just created a new website, so I'm gonna work on the design and the modules.
Nice. Sounds cool, guys. Keep up the good work. And now for our award-winning animation team. Come on in.
Hi, animation.
Hi, animation.
We're vlogging right now.
What are you guys working on?
Right now, installing Windows 7 on his computer.
And we're also discussing about the new animation competition that's going to be going on for Team 116. And
Yeah.
we're gonna enter it.
We finally found a place to enter our
And I'm the one reading.
PSA into.
Oh, cool.
That
so that's
is-
what you. Okay.
Yeah, and we're working on the classroom. You might want to turn around.
Turn around.
Look at that. Yep.
There's the classroom, one of the students in our animation.
And so far this year, we've gotten a lot of new people, and we've been training them. And Abhijit here is helping us improve our skills as an animator.
Is he the mentor?
Yep.
Yeah, he is a mentor.
So they haven't posted up a prompt yet, have they?
Probably not.
Oh, they haven't.
Okay, cool. Okay, thanks guys.
Oh my god!
So say you Emily, so you got safety glasses.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a tech room, and it's really loud in here.
Should display for us in the
Okay, so this is programming.
main
That say louder.
analog values that we're getting back from the pressure gauge.
Can you ask you what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm Aaron. We're programmers, obviously. We programmed the code for the robot. Recently, we've been working on some camera code and just some basic classes.
Okay, cool. Thanks. So this is the room. People are Don't. Oh, sorry. Clear out the shooter. Our leader. Hi. Jonathan. Your name's Emma. So do you want to tell us what you're doing?
Okay, so right now we're working on hooking up a pressure gauge for our pneumatics, so we can do some prototyping with that sensor. So
Take a shot of the pneumatics.
that's what we're doing.
Okay, thanks Emma. Bye. So this is our CAD team. We've been here for the past 2 weeks, kind of holed up. And I don't know what they're doing right now. Hi Callie. Hey. So this is our CAD leader. This is all of our CAD team. Can you tell us what you're doing?
So right now we are fixing up our intake. We just have a couple little things to fix. And then we are going to assemble our shooter and hopper. And so we're probably going to get that probably done today.
Alright. Yes, Callie.
Thank you.
Okay, and then one last scene, we're going to go to the shop. This is where the fabrication and special projects is.
Make sure you have your seat.
Follow us.
Hey, Blake!
Hey, safety glasses!
So this is the shop. Really loud in here. Yeah, it's kind of loud in here. This is our fearless fab leader.
What?
His name's Parker.
Hello.
What are you guys doing?
Basically, right now we're building field elements.
Alright, thanks.
So basically that's what we've been doing these past 2 weeks of kickoff.
Hit the subscribe button down below
Or click the links to the videos here.
and tune in next week for another vlog. Bye.
Bye!